Prodoscore is an employee productivity solution that allows companies to not only see how productive an individual employee is, but also identify a framework for success that can be replicated across the company. When we look at our employee list here, we're able to see the different roles that each of our employees fall into, and we're also able to see their score and their trend over time. So we're able to look at an employee like Sarah, who has a very healthy score of 77, but week over week she's up 14%. So this would be an indicator that we need to make sure that Sarah isn't approaching a burnout level of activity. When we look at an employee like Tom, we can see that over the last 7 days, Tom has a score of 87 and is down 2% week over week. When we look at an individual day, we can look at the activities that went into that score and went into Tom's day to make him so productive. We can look at things like their office suite and how many emails sent and calendar time they had scheduled, but we can also, most importantly, look at their activities in Bullhorn that they use to make their days so successful. We can look at how many Bullhorn jobs and candidates were created or how many tasks and notes were logged as well. We connect to these tools via API, so we can also connect to your UCAS system, Zoom Video, Dialpad, RingCentral, and more. Not only can we look at the individual activities, but we can also look at those activities spread out over the day. So what is their workflow and work process that makes Tom so successful? How does he use the individual tools and in what order? And can we replicate this to other members of the team who might have a lower standard of success at this moment? We can also funnel up these activities and scores to their individual departments and roles as well. So what we're looking at here is over the last 7 days, being able to look at our separate departments and their trends over those periods of time. If we see something concerning like a decrease in performance of 9% over the past week for finance, that's something we can dig into then. If you're interested in learning more about Prodoscore, please reach out today.